This is a video just to thank those of you who supported our project. In 2014, my nephew Carl, who runs our online Pens Deluxe website, started talking about having a Kickstarter project to promote penmanship, and at the same time I was writing my book on penmanship, and he was very keen to explain it to me and say we must have a Kickstarter project so that you can make videos of the lessons. And so at that time I wrote in my manuscript these words: help the project, share the love of penmanship. Find out more at www.penmanship.com. So he kept up his interest in this subject and was always hoping to launch the project. We finally launched the project in 2023, and it was successful thanks to your support. And we are now at the point we've redone a lot of our videos, and we've gone back over our files of what we had, our raw videos, and we've now managed to complete them, and they're ready to be uploaded and launched. The interesting fact was that the videos we had were very good, but they weren't complete, and they needed further editing by our wonderful videographer Otto Koo, who's worked some magic on them. And I managed to find the same jacket as I wore in 2014 to make the videos. So the universe said, yes, go ahead and do this, and we give them to you and hope that you will approve and enjoy them, and that you'll feel going forward penmanship is going to be saved, the quality of the teaching will be improved, and it'll all be very worthwhile. So thank you again for your support, and please do enjoy the videos as they'll be uploaded soon. Thank you from Barbara Nicol and Carl Summers. Thank you again.